Hi everyone, my channel is English Ladder. Let's start learn English like a native.
Difference between Band 3 and Band 8 in IELTS speaking? Let's compare real answers side by side. Don't spoil your IELTS, speak the smart way.
What do you do in your free time?
I watch TV. I like movies. I sometimes play games. That's all.
In my free time, I enjoy watching documentaries and reading books, especially fiction. It helps me relax and learn at the same time. Occasionally, I also play online chess to stay mentally active.
Do you enjoy studying English? Why or why not?
Yes, I like English. It is good language. I want to speak good.
Absolutely. I find English fascinating because it opens up many opportunities in education and work. It also allows me to connect with people from different cultures around the world.
Describe your hometown.
My town is small. It has shops, schools, and people. I like it.
My hometown is a peaceful coastal city surrounded by lush greenery and beautiful beaches. It's known for its friendly community and vibrant local culture, which I really appreciate.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. It is nice and fun. I listen every day.
I'm a big fan of pop and acoustic music. I enjoy songs with meaningful lyrics and soothing melodies. Music helps me unwind after a busy day.
Do you prefer reading books or watching movies?
I like movies more. Books are long. Movies are fast.
While I enjoy both, I slightly prefer watching movies because they offer a visual experience. However, I do appreciate the depth and imagination that books provide.
Describe a goal you want to achieve.
I want a good job. I study hard for it. I try my best.
One of my main goals is to become a professional graphic designer. I'm currently improving my skills and building a strong portfolio so I can work internationally in the near future.
What is your favorite food?
I like rice. I eat it every day. It is good.
My favorite food is biryani. I love its rich flavors and the perfect blend of spices. It's a comfort food for me.
Do you enjoy shopping?
Yes. I buy clothes. I like shopping with friends.
I do enjoy shopping occasionally, especially when there are seasonal sales. I prefer buying quality over quantity.
Do you like animals?
Yes. I like dogs. They are cute and fun.
I love animals, especially dogs. They are loyal, friendly, and bring so much joy to a home.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
I like summer. It is hot. I eat ice cream.
I prefer summer because the days are longer and more lively. I also enjoy outdoor activities during this time.
Do you like your job or studies?
Yes. It is okay. I study hard.
Yes, I really enjoy my studies. I'm passionate about learning new things and gaining skills that help in real life.
What's your favorite season?
I like spring. It has flowers. It's nice.
My favorite season is spring. Everything comes to life, the flowers bloom, and the weather is pleasant.
See the difference? To reach Band 8, you need to use full sentences, advanced vocabulary, and speak clearly. Keep practicing and follow this channel for more Band 9 tips.